So these are dumbbell RDLs or Armenian deadlifts. What you're gonna do is you're gonna stand upright like this, very, very slight bend in the knee, and you're gonna hold the dumbbells in front of your body like this. Now, all you are doing during this movement, okay, is you're bending at the hip. That is it. What I do is I keep my torso straight, I push my hips back till I feel a stretch in the back of my legs or my hamstrings. I drive my hips back up, and I do the same movement again, okay? Now, a couple of different things on this. The first one is I'm not tilting forward at the chest so that I fall forward. If I'm like this and I tilt forward at the chest, my weight shifts forward and I'm gonna fall. The second thing is I'm making sure to keep my feet balanced well so that I'm not teetering onto my toes and then onto my heels and losing my balance, okay? And the third thing is I'm not going too deep. So I'm pushing my hips back. Once I reach a point where my hamstrings are no longer have any more flexibility, my glutes and my hamstrings, I don't continue the movement by stretching my back. I'm not trying to train that muscle on my back. I'm training my hamstrings and glutes. So once they finish their job, the movement is done and I come back up. I also don't go all the way through like this, so it's like this, okay? Up, lock, back down again. Not like this where I drive the hips through and do this gigantic movement, okay? And those are dumbbell RDLs.